let's look at this campaign. This is the campaign that everyone's going to be getting today. It triggers when someone signs up on your website. And do not worry, I'm going to be putting the code in chat at the end. And let me pause real quick. And code for this at the end today. It's real easy to put this campaign in your KvCORE. I'm going to be showing you that. But this is for anyone who signs up on your website. When I scroll up, the triggers of this campaign, it has to be a new lead, which we kind of just went over. Leads are going to default to a new lead when they sign up on your website. And if you've never spoken to them, you probably have no idea who they are. They just signed up on your website. I think we all agree you're going to want a greeting campaign to go off. So back in KvCORE, if someone is a new lead and they sign up on your website, I know this might look crazy, system source, is agent website. Just know this means if they sign up on your website and if they are a new lead, this campaign is going to trigger. What it's going to say in the first 10 minutes, that's the first text. I don't like a text immediately going out. I think we all would agree. If someone signed up on your website, if I was even most of the time looking at homes is why they're going to sign up. But the last thing I want is for you to have a text right in front of me. I just signed up on your website. I have this going out 10 minutes later, and let's see what it says. It's going to pull the lead's first name. It's going to pull your full name. And you're telling them, hey, I saw you come through my website. I was curious. Are you browsing or actively looking? It's a simple text message that's going to go out 10 minutes later when someone signs up on your website. Note, this is not the only thing that's going to happen in this campaign. When you scroll down, there's emails, there's more text, and look at the left-hand side. That's the time frame. So in the first, let's just look at the first 25 days. Pretty heavy, right? I mean, a lot of text, a lot of emails going out. Probably have around, what, 5 texts, 6 emails in the first 25 days. But that's because I'm trying to get a response. My entire goal of this campaign is to get the lead to respond, because I'm going to show everyone examples of what happens whenever a lead responds to you. Because this campaign, you're going to learn, it completely gets removed when a lead responds. Pretend they come in and sign up on your website and they see this first text. If they don't respond to this and the very next day, maybe they're getting the next text. Hey, first name, it's pulling the lead's email. I wanted to make sure to send you some similar properties. If they respond right here, everyone's going to learn this campaign's going to get removed. So if I keep saying my whole goal is to get a response, hopefully you'll learn that when someone responds to this, whether it's on day 10, whether it's on day 60, it's going to remove. The campaign will shut off automatically when the lead responds. So let's look at some of these, right? You saw the first text. You saw my next text where I'm asking about the email. Let's look at day 5. Every text is just trying to get the lead to respond. I'm saying it in different ways. And some of these have merge tags. You in KvCORE, you can pull certain information from the lead. For example, what I'm doing here, if they're looking at certain homes in a certain area, it's going to say that right here. The emails in this, let me pull up one of these. All of the emails are going to look just like this as far as the layout goes. The only thing that changes in the emails of this campaign, subject line and your body, what you're saying. All the emails are going to have this EXP banner at the top. It's going to have agent full name. This will pull your cell phone number. This is going to go to your website, to your home evaluation. We have these buttons already set to go to your website. Same with the buying. It goes to your website, to all the active homes on the MLS. This one just goes to your main website. And of course, pulls your signature. But those of you who are here and those of you who signed up and you're just watching the recording, we'll be giving you the code for this campaign. And I just want you to understand the emails in this campaign, the layout's the same for all of them. The only thing that's different is the subject line and the body of what you're saying. And let's look at day 10. I'm not asking, are you actively looking or just browsing? I'm not asking, is this a good email? I'm just saying, is the morning or afternoon better to get a hold of you? I'm still just trying to get a response. That's the whole goal of this. All the emails and all the texts are somewhat open-ended questions or either or. We're trying to get something out. So let's look at this. It goes for almost 400 days. Are y'all seeing that? There's 375 days of texts and emails trying to get the lead to respond. And I'm about to show you examples here in a second of what it looks like when a lead does respond. Okay, let me pause really quick. All right, we're about to take a quick look at an example of actual leads, recent leads that are going into someone's KvCORE. They are signing up on their website and they are triggering the greeting campaign. Now, in this agent's KvCORE, pay attention to the created column. This is his lead flow. He has leads signing up on his website quite a bit, right? I can tell because agent website. If you remember the trigger for the greeting campaign I'm giving you today, it's new lead and it's agent website, because agent website means these leads signed up on your website. And looking over here, I'm going to click on one of the new leads. Hey everybody, it's Burch. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. But I had to make this very fast because we had to pause the video at this point. I am not allowed to show certain lead information like emails and phone numbers. So this type of information was for the people who did show up to the webinar, and it's the type of content that's offered in our mastermind. Reminder, the webinar and our mastermind, the links can be found in the description below. And keep enjoying the video. Yes. Are you curious, or I was curious, are you browsing or actively looking? What he added was a little bit more. Now, if you make any edits to a text template that's already in here, notice you can do this. You can either save over the current template, and I could just hit save, which is what I would probably give you the advice to do. Just do that and hit save. Or you can rename it by just unchecking it and then calling it something else. If I was you and you're making templates in KvCORE, always name them by your initials, because there is thousands of default templates in KvCORE, text and email templates, and it makes it easier to sometimes find yours if you put your initials first when you name stuff. So just know, for the text messages and even the emails, which I'm about to show you, if you're going to make edits to some of these that are already in here, make your edit like I just did. Come up here. I would probably do this, just save over the current template each time and hit save. The emails, pretty much the same thing. If I pop open the email, you can't edit from right here, but I can click on the advanced template and edit from there. And if it does this, sometimes it doesn't load, get out of it, click it again. All right, now I'm able to edit. And again, these emails, up to you. If you did maybe want to change banners, right? You're not EXP. I will show this because this could be a real simple, easy edit. You will need to go to each template, click on the banner, change image. See a button called upload, and you can upload your logo, your banner, whatever it is that you want to use for your header up there. Give me 1 second, I'm just letting this load. And maybe just for the example purpose, everybody pretend, because I don't have a logo ready, just I uploaded it. And if I upload it, it's going to pop up right here and I can insert it. So it's very easy to just upload your own banner or your logo if you want that to be the header. And then you would hit save template. And don't forget, you need to save over the current template. You would click that and then hit save changes. So if you wanted to change your banners at the top, you would need to do that for each email. You would need to go to the next email, edit advanced template. Doing that again, click it. Change image. The nice thing is if you do need to change these banners, you already uploaded it. I know KvCORE is being slow right now, but you don't need to upload. Just click on it and hit insert. And it's a rinse and repeat or rinse and repeat with each one of these. Save template, save over my current template, save changes. Let's kind of recap what we've looked at so far. You're looking at a greeting campaign for anyone who signs up on your website. Hopefully everybody saw when I showed the example of a live lead, the point is to get a response. When you get a response, this campaign is going to shut off automatically. I then showed you how you can edit some of this. You can edit the text messages if you want it to say something a little different. And you can also edit the emails. I'm going to leave everyone here, and whoever's watching the recording,